Ever wondered if machines could read your mind? As mind-boggling as it sounds, we're getting closer to this reality. Let's take a moment to ponder the potential of artificial intelligence, or AI as it's commonly known. Over the years, this technology has evolved at a rapid pace, and its potential to change our lives significantly is no longer just a matter of speculation, but a real possibility. AI's capabilities are expanding beyond our wildest dreams. It's not just about smart home devices or self-driving cars anymore. We're talking about machines that can quite literally read our minds. Sounds like something out of a sci-fi movie, doesn't it? But this is the reality that researchers at the University of Texas at Austin are bringing to life with their new language decoder. This groundbreaking device can read brainwaves and interpret thoughts in real time. One company leading in this space is Meta, formerly known as Facebook. They've made significant strides in decoding brain activity. So, how does Meta's mind-reading AI stack up against other similar technologies? Well, let's dive right in. Meta's mind-reading AI is a groundbreaking development that focuses on interpreting visual perception. This means it could potentially allow AI systems to see through our eyes in real time. It's a significant leap from traditional AI capabilities and could have profound implications on consumer behavior and personal freedom. Now let's compare this with Google's chatbot generator, LaMDA. This AI has shown signs of sentience and consciousness according to some claims. It relies on pattern recognition, a different approach from Meta's focus on visual perception. While Lambda has sparked debates around AI consciousness, it's also important to note that Google maintains there's no evidence to support these claims of sentience. So here we have two distinct AI technologies, each with its unique approach and potential implications. Meta's AI aims to decode brain activity related to visual perception, while Google's LaMDA explores the realm of pattern recognition and possible sentience. Both are pushing the boundaries of what's possible with AI. While there's a lot of potential, these technologies also raise serious questions about privacy and personal freedom. So, what have we learned today? We've delved into the fascinating and somewhat daunting world of artificial intelligence, specifically the concept of mind-reading AI. We've seen how companies, like Meta, are at the forefront of this technology, developing systems capable of interpreting thoughts in real time, and even potentially seeing through our eyes. We've also explored the potential implications of such advancements. Imagine the impact on consumer behavior if AI systems could accurately predict our desires and intentions. But it's not all about marketing and sales. The potential for AI to enhance our lives is vast, from helping those with communication difficulties to providing new ways for us to interact with the digital world. But with great power comes great responsibility. As these technologies continue to evolve and become more integrated into our everyday lives, we must also consider the potential risks. Privacy concerns are paramount, and the potential for misuse of such technology cannot be ignored. The future is here, and it's important to stay informed and actively shape regulations to ensure these technologies enhance our lives rather than compromise our fundamental rights and freedoms.